and we put on the sand castle. We make it wet.
Oh, cute.
And you see this, the picture here? You know what it is?
From all the, like the
year you
years.
born?
Yeah.
You know what year you born?
I think am I pig? I think I'm 97.
Have to look. We have to look it up. I am a tiger. So this one we call Nam Ok
Oh, they were mixing that in the
with
clay
water.
that they
With
put
the
on.
clay and
Yeah.
then with the water. Back to like many ingredients, but we didn't have a food. We just made from dry flour and stuff mixed, you know. Yeah.
Smells good.
Oh no. ก็จะเอาสิบ
Keep all your money in a
เป็น
plastic
90
bag.
บาทค่ะ It's a New Year. I'm going to buy this one, Nam Ok. So we use this one for mixing with water or flour, you know, for the holy, and we offer the water, the perfume water, mixed with water on top of the Buddha statue, you know, for the spirit, for the house, for the home with holy water. And we put on the face. It smells really good. So this is a Thai New Year, right? Songkran festival, water festival. So you see the market, a lot of people, and a lot of people buying this and this. So this is like a tung, like a mini tung, but we put on the sand castle. If you go around, you know, during Songkran festival, you see every temple has a sand. So people will bring the sand to the temple and make the tung on top. 15 baht. You are in Sansai area. Sansai area are well known for making the rice crackers. We're gonna offer to the temple stuff too, but I haven't had breakfast. I'm hungry, and I love the caramel. Would you like to try some?
Thank you so much.
And it's made from sticky rice.
That's good. It's like toasted.